What's up guys, this is a part 2. Today I'll be talking about heat transfer paper. There's two types, dark and light. Alright. For light shirts, like white shirts, you gotta use this is the paper I use right here. Yeah, you can see that. There you go. Jet Pro Soft Stretch. When you use this paper, you gotta make sure you mirror your image in the software that you're using, okay? I'm not gonna go over the software, how to use a program and whatnot. Maybe that's be another video. I'm just gonna show you the process for what I do. You got your image, you mirror it, then you put the registration mark, then you print it out. Print it out. Alright. Once you print your image out, what you're gonna do next is, there's two ways to do this. You cut it out by hand, or you can use your vinyl cutter, as of this right here, to contour cut the outline of this image. That's the reason why you got to put your registration mark on the image, so the machine could register where to cut the contour line at. As that. Alright. Okay, once you got your image cut out, alright, what you gotta do next is set your heat press temperature to the requirement for the paper. Alright, the Jet Pro Soft Stretch is 350, 375 Fahrenheit, and you press it on heavy pressure for about 20 to 30 seconds. Alright, sometimes you have to play with your machine to find the perfect setting for it. Alright, then you get your t-shirt. Alright, set it up on this platform. Then you want to pre-press your garment for about 2 to 5 seconds to let the moisture out. And you want to make sure you lint it. Alright, once that's done, you take your image and place it on your garment. Then what you gotta do next is get you cover sheet. Oops. Like this. Place it on top. Then just wait for it to finish. Alright, what you gotta do next is peel it off. You can peel it with this material, you can peel it hot or cold. So I'm just gonna peel it hot. What I usually do is just stretch it a little bit. Then you usually do is put it back on the heat press for a couple more seconds. Before you place it on, you gotta make sure you place a parchment paper on it so the ink on this doesn't stick to the top of this plate. And you stretch it out to help the stretchability of it. There you go. Next video is gonna be on the dark garment, how to use the dark transfer paper for it. I'm gonna be talking about this. What I use for my shirt is vinyl. Now I'm gonna be switching from vinyl to pastoral transfer. I talk about that in the future videos. So yeah, you got any questions, comment, don't forget to subscribe and like.